My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Z912. This ransomware may damage the files essentially. In my video, I will solely demonstrate to you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. As you can clearly see, before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open our data without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Z912 ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So then very soon people realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware may encrypt the files and damage the files essentially. Of course, intrusion of this Z912 ransomware happens as a result of the computer being poorly protected by the existing security programs. So if this ransomware was somehow found on your device, definitely you need to get rid of it from your system. But of course, another crucial problem is recovering the files. Unfortunately, I cannot help you recover the files because I am not related to this ransomware, as I said. What you can do, of course, is to remove this ransomware and in order to stop further file encryption. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware appends a random force symbol extension to the file names. It also tells the victims to pay the ransom for file recovery, but I urge you not to do that, not to pay the ransom. Instead, I recommend you to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose by going to the site combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on this Start Scan button, and the software may first of all update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. It will then give you the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to have your data always protected. And you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.